Hi, it's Gina from WTI. I want you to check out my gorgeous bouquet of winter socks from Loritta. They're such a fun and festive pattern. They make me think of sleigh rides and playing in the snow, and in fact, I wear them a lot with my boots. I wear a size 7.5 in women's shoes, and the manufacturer says these fit between a size 5 and 9. I find them to be just a tiny bit loose on my feet, which is actually just fine for me. I like to wear them over tights when I'm wearing dress boots, and I wear them with my slippers or tennis shoes. They come up to about just under mid-calf on me, so I can tuck them up underneath jeans or slacks, or if I'm wearing a pair of tight jeans, I can put them up over the top. They're not too thick so that when I wear them in my regular size boots, they don't make my feet feel squished. They're very soft and cozy. It's a wool blend, so your feet don't get itchy. They just feel really warm and comfy. I've washed them several times in my washing machine and dried them in my dryer on high heat. They haven't shrunk, the colors haven't faded, and they're still looking really good. I just love wearing these socks every single day. So if you're looking for something that's super cute and is going to keep your feet warm, then I recommend these. And that's my point of view.